Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So my girl Jenny Post, sent me this awesome box of snap jewelry, and I haven't really had much experience with this stuff before, so I'm going to kind of show you. And down in the description I'll put her website where you can order, and she gave me a little discount code for you guys and her YouTube and everything. But I've been looking this stuff over, and it is just ridiculously cool. So basically you get here, I'll show you. You get like a kit, right, with these different glass pieces and then these buttons. You put whatever you want in the glass pieces. Could be resin, could be acrylic pour, whatever you want. And then you can put those buttons, they're interchangeable onto things. So she sent me this clutch, which is really cute. So see this button here? You could change that out with anything at any time, with any other colors, etc. Here are some earrings she sent me. So she sent me 2 sets of buttons. This one she made out of resin and whatnot, and this is an acrylic skin. And then they go on these earrings. So there's one attached here and one not attached, so you can see. But they're basically just interchangeable earrings. So you'd have the one set of earrings, and then you can make it look like whatever you want, depending on the day. And where you're going, and your outfit, and everything like that. Yeah, so basically there's all kinds of kits. Like this is another little necklace that you can get. These are some other earrings with smaller little buttons, smaller snaps. So she made these as well with acrylic skins, and then you just snap them into here. So there's different size kits. There's 12 millimeter buttons, there's 18 millimeter buttons, etc. And all kinds of awesome jewelry and stuff. This is another really cute bracelet you can make. So coming up, I will be doing a few videos where I actually make some of these. Look at this cute dragonfly. This is a necklace pendant. There's way too much in this box to go through it all, guys. But I just wanted to show you like a few of the things. Let's see. This one's a really cute turtle pendant. But if you're interested in making your own jewelry as gifts or to sell, this stuff seems awesome. And she did say that it sells really well at craft fairs. So that's if you're interested. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is going to be one of my first ones, and I know who's going to get this as a gift. But yeah, if you're interested in maybe doing some craft fairs and stuff, making some really cute jewelry, definitely check out her website and use that discount code. And order yourself some of this awesome jewelry. It's really simple. Like I said, videos coming up. Down in the description, I'll include all of her info where you can order, discount code, etc. All right, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time.